Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here outside we've got some basic options, so we can remove browsing history, tabs, opened apps, and cookies, cache, and other site data. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time. So here we've got basic options. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on more options here, and we will be transferred to this section. Those are basic options. And here we've got advanced, so we can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, of course, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, again, all time, for example, or last 4 weeks. It's up to you. Just tap on it and tap on Clear Data. And of course, we can enter the history and we can see that it is empty. So it means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.